Okay. So ano?
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel.
Happy Halloween sa inyong
Hi
lahat.
guys! November 1.
Yes.
So ayan,
Kung nagtataka kayo ba't ganito yung look namin, it's because malapit na ang Halloween.
November 1.
Yes, All Saints Day,
Kung
All
naalala
Souls
nyo.
Day. May nag-request din. Sino kasi yung nag-request?
si Kuya Nelson, I think.
Hindi ko kilala. So, thank you sa request at may
Thank you!
idea kami.
So ayan, ito na.
True. At kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano namin ginawa itong look na to, just keep on watching,
Keep on
follow
watching,
us,
follow, share, comment,
and subscribe.
and subscribe of course. Oh, so ayan.
Ayan guys.
Hi, guys.
Ang smooth ng foundation.
Ang sarap sa feeling nung concealer.
Ng
Primer na
tsaka
ginamit
ng-
namin,
oo,
guys.
Super Lancome.
Bili na kayo ng ganun.
Next is the concealer.
Concealer.
Dapat may ganun.
Ayan.
Ayan. Ayan. Now we're gonna use the Fit Me Maybelline Concealer at the shade 25.
25. It's
Yes.
25.
25.
Yeah.
Learn your numbers.
Yeah.
Ginagamit ko lang to pang highlight dito.
To this
Ito
one.
lang.
Dito
Yes.
lang. And
Tapos, ang pinapatong ko is concealer Fit Me Maybelline din, shade of 30. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, para tanggalin lang yung mga pimples and stuff na mga hindi natanggal.
at tanggalin ang pagmamahal natin. Ay! Ay! Sorry! I really like you. I really
Conceal na tayo? Hmm?
Thank
Conceal. Tsaka uwi akong
Tapos,
Kuwait. Pupunta akong Kuwait.
magpapa-notarize and tan tan
Ayok to. I will go see my father.
Father, help us. That is so natural.
Tapos na kami mag-concealer.
Concealer.
Yes, na yun, ibibake natin siya. Para mag-set ang ating concealer.
Okay.
So, ang gagamitin natin is Maybelline Baking Powder. I don't know if that's even a thing. Powder brush.
It's that leggy.
Yes. This is a brush from Zoeva. Thank you, Noor. Shout out to my bitch, Noor, or whatever. Thank you for giving me a brush. A brush, literally a brush.
Uy!
But thank
A
you.
brush lahat narinig ko.
We're gonna take some powder. We're gonna set that.
Ang tsaka niya guys, no?
Yes.
Aminin nyo.
Ayan.
She tried the 69 and
Now that we look like a chicken. Pangit
Chicken.
natin pag nabibake na.
Yun lang ma, huwag kang dadamay. Please.
Thank you.
Just please.
Habang nagbe-bake yan, lagyan natin ng contour.
Contour.
Yan. For this contour,
Hi! Ang shy mo naman. Ha? Ha? Ano yun? Ay, huwag mo pinapakita ang double chin, ah.
ang contour na gagamitin ko is by Essence. Yes, anong sa'yo?
Anastasia!
Anastasia!
Hey.
What is that? Bagong product niya, guys. May budget, in fairness.
Thanks! Di makita, no?
No.
Masyado maliwanag, guys.
Masyado maliwanag.
Ganda siya.
Ooh, ganda.
Mas maganda.
Highlight ba to?
Oh,
I think that's
pinang-
highlight.
Yeah, highlights mo.
Kasi yung contour mo.
Thank
So, gagamitin yung pang highlight is the LA Girl
LA girl.
Pro Conceal. Hindi ko alam kung anong shade
Shucks.
niya. Bigay lang ng
Kabahan
friend
na
ko.
ako, guys.
True,
Tignan
bigay
niyo
ng
ako
friend.
gano.
Thank you, Noor. Thank you again.
Naiiyak na ako, naiiyak na ako.
Ah,
Aw, aw, di karaba. Ang pag-ibig. Ay, ano kasi yung kantang ano nun? Ako si Jasem, taga San Jose. At kung tatawagin, Jas po lamang. At kung
Tsaka?
sa inuman,
Hoy!
veterano yan. At kung sa lalaki, kahit na rin.
Karma!
Ay ko.
Nag-ano siya, tanggalin ko na to kasi mukha ng chicken.
Buhay.
Demonyo ka kaya.
Demonyo ang...
Ayan, okay na. Whenever you're ready.
I'll go.
And now that my face is matched,
Nee.
next we're gonna go with the eyebrows.
Lorac.
I'll be using the Anastasia pomade.
Anastasia.
The pomade. With an Anastasia Beverly Hills angle brush.
Guys, kailangan ko talagang matinding focus sa eyebrow dapat.
And guys, I'm done with my eyebrows.
Tagal na in fairness.
Super. Hindi ko pa masyado na blend sa taas. Ayan, so, start na tayo sa favorite eyeshadow. My God, ito na naman tayo guys sa eyeshadow. So, ipaprime natin, no? No, ipaprime natin.
So much.
Ayan, na-prime na natin ang mukha natin. Ang mukha tuloy. Mata. Ang gagamitin natin ang eyeshadow is Fashion 21.
Thank. Nakikita nyo na.
Mukha ka ng patay, in fairness.
Ay,
Guys, oh my God, hindi ako sure sa gagawin ko. Oh my God, tape pala. Ayan, guys. Mga timang, no? Pero it's okay. Worth it naman later. Naka-tape na po. So, let's start to color. Purple muna tayo, guys, no?
Hi guys.
Gusto niyo yan.
That mas dark pa, no?
Molly, yun, shucks.
Sa, hindi nakakatakot yung sayo.
Ayan, guys. This is the eye look. Ayan siya. Ang hirap niyang gawin, guys.
In fairness.
Furnace na achieve ko. So, next ang gawin natin is the lips. Pray for me.
Guys, just for you, ano pinagkagawa namin?
Ano yun?
Insekto lang yun. Guys, pwede na po ba ako sa...
Halloween. Sa Car City. Punta ka.
Ma, natatakot na ako sa sarili ko. Maakin na ako magayon sa'yo.
Gagawin natin. Of course, the final is
Ours is...
the setting spray.
Okay.
The setting spray.
Free.
Set natin with Nichido Matte Finish Makeup Setting Spray. Uy, asaan?
Bobo.
Bibi, guys! Oy, 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 oy! Ay, ang kadami, Bibi!
Nakaka-fresh.
po eh.
Last but not the least is the highlight.
Highlight.
Highlight. Gamitin natin yung bago mong highlight. The glow getter look color over her.
So, that's it. This is our final look.
Ang tagal namin ginawa to, my goodness. 1.5 hours na, papuntang 2 hours na.
Guys,
Wait. Kanina inspired yung look mo.
naaalala nyo guys the movie Coco, Miguel.
Mhm.
Huh. So you?
Ako, mix actually. Dapat maging... Kasi favorite ko nung bata ko, si Little Mermaid. Doon ako lumaki. That's my childhood. Kaya
True.
siguro ganito ako.
I don't ever.
So, yung villain doon, si Ursula dapat for the eyeshadow because it's purple
Purple.
and black. And
These
then,
were so nice.
Pennywise for the final touch with the lips and the red dito. So yun, I hope you guys like it.
Thanks so much for November Wayne
True.
Halloween.
Nakatakot ba guys?
Tingnan natin ng other side din.
True. Nakatakot ba? Only yun guys, actually.
Guys, ako pwede na akong ano, no?
True.
So, ayan. Thanks so much, guys, sa first vlog again.
True.
Nang napakatagal naming walang post.
Yeah.
So, ayan. Bye-bye!